So today I'll just be doing a what is in my bag video, and I'm excited. So starting with the actual bag, where I got it from, stuff like that. I love this bag so much, I can't even tell you why. It's literally, the straps are broken on both sides and I'm using a safety pin to keep it together. I plan on sewing it back together soon. But I got it from the thrift store. It was like $2 and it's by this brand called Eberl. Never heard of it before. Could be worth thousands of dollars and I wouldn't even know it. I doubt that's the case though. I just really love it. I can't explain it. I have way nicer purses and I just never use them. I don't know why that is. I just really like using vintage stuff. Like I have a brand new Coach purse and I just like, I got it as a gift, but I just don't really even, I use it every now and then, but I normally don't even carry a purse on the day-to-day. Since I carry a backpack, I keep everything in there, but now that I'm out of school, I've been using a purse. I'm talking way too much. Let's just dig into this bag. So the first thing I see is a hair clip. I always keep one clipped onto the strap because I just like to have stuff to be able to get my hair out of my face. So that's that. And then we open it. We have, first things first, Girly Products. Always keep those in there just in case. I think every girl does that. That's like just the norm. I've got some Terrell since it is cold and flu season. So yeah, it's, like I said, it's cold and flu season, so I've got some sanitizer in my bag just to make sure that like after I touch, you know, hand railings or use a public computer like at school mostly, I'll sanitize my hands after always. And then you have my business cards because I'm a businesswoman. I'm not going to show you them because they've got all my personal information on them, but I'll show you the front because I think they're super cute. I designed them myself. I used Moo, if you guys have ever heard of that brand, to make them, and I designed them in InDesign / Illustrator myself. Oh, come on, focus. Okay, well that is just not working. I'm gonna insert a picture because my camera doesn't want to cooperate. Anyways, that's my business card for school. You never know who you're gonna run into on the street. I wanna be ready. Then I've got my headphones just so I can listen to music. And I walk to the coffee shop that I go to a lot, so I just like to have headphones on me when I'm walking. And yeah. Next thing I have, a little travel brush that's full of hair. I love this one because it's got a little mirror. It's just from the brand, the Wet Brush brand, and you can like pop out the brush. It reminds me of the ones I had when I was little, but it's super convenient and I actually really like it. Why is this going so poopy? Okay, and I've got another hair thing. We're probably gonna find like 30 of these in here. I didn't clean out my purse before I did this, so I'm sure there's a bunch of crazy stuff in there. Yeah, just a hair scrunchie, because again, can never have too many hair ties as a girl. There's actually nothing in that little pocket in this one. So, moving on to the main portion. I've got a lip gloss. This is from a photo shoot I did. I must have just stuffed it in there because I don't ever use this one actually, so. Yeah. I've got a lip balm. This one's from Sunbum and it smells like coconuts and I really like it. I use that one actually. And then I've got my keys. I've got 2 car keys on here because I have 2 cars. Just kidding, no I don't. Me and my mom just switch cars a lot and there's extra keys, so I have both. I've got like my grocery key, house keys, and my mace because like I said, I walk around a lot and you know, I live in Savannah and things can get crazy, so you gotta protect yourself. Even if you live in a safe city, you should always carry some form of self-protection. watched way too much Law and Order to just not do that. Next thing I just have a pen. I usually always have a couple or at least one on me. This one's actually from Japan. My friend Harrison brought it back for me. He brought back a couple. I love them. They're really nice. Some Japanese stationery. So now we're gonna start getting into the weird stuff. Got a fork. I just tend to eat on the go a lot, and I've got a fork in my purse. It's really just because I never clean out my purse. I'm probably sure there's another one in there or something along that nature. I'm kind of a mess in my everyday life. I've got a charging cube, but no cable. So that's nice. Super fun. I've got a chocolate from when I went out on Halloween. I don't really like chocolate that much, so that's probably crazy, but I'm not a big chocolate eater. That is just a random little trash papers. Okay, I think that's everything. Yep, that's everything from the big part of my purse. Totally empty. Okay, now we're gonna move on to like the little front pocket. I've got some Benadryl extra strength itch stopping cream. I'm really allergic to animals, so I always carry this with me because if I see an animal, I cannot refrain from touching it. I'm super allergic. I'll insert a picture here of what it looks like when I have a reaction. Yet I still always pet them and want to play with them. So I just keep this with me in case I do have a reaction and I end up needing some relief. And then got a bunch of makeup. This is where I like stuff all my makeup stuff. I've got my Glossier lip gloss. I've got some lip tint. I keep all this stuff on me just because, you know, I eat throughout the day. I have a boyfriend. I'll give him a couple kisses every now and then, and my lips just, you know, life happens. You gotta touch up your lips throughout the day. So I've got my lip liner from Charlotte Tilbury in there too. I've got some perfume. This one's from Tory Burch. Like I said, I walk around a bunch recently and it's super hot in Savannah still, even though it's winter. So I want to smell fresh, and in case I need that, I keep that in there. And then the last thing I have is just another lip gloss. I'm obsessed with chapstick. I have probably over 50 lip products spread out throughout like my car, my mom's car, my room, my purse, my backpacks. I can't even tell you. They're probably everywhere. But that was just a quick little fun video that I thought I would do for you guys, and that is everything that is in my purse. So I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, go ahead and give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel, and be sure to hit the bell so that you'll be notified anytime I upload a new video. And be sure to check out my Depop. Like I said, I have a bunch of nice purses that I don't really use, and I'm probably going to be selling them on there. So if you guys are interested in those, definitely go check it out. And I'll see you guys next time. Thanks for watching.